Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to lose belly fat in just 1 week with cucumber and watermelon. Very simple recipe. Here's my result after a week. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Revenge Body with Lorret, and I'm gonna show you guys how to lose belly fat in just 1 week with this simple juice recipe: watermelon and cucumber. So simple. I'm here to share because I know how frustrating it could be to go to gym 247 and still couldn't lose weight. It could be. Yeah, frustrating. Very. But guys, I'm here to spill that thing. There are many ways to actually lose fat without killing yourself 247 in the gym. Yes, exercise is really important, don't get me wrong. Getting into shape is 20% exercise and 80% diet, healthy diet. So guys, I'm going to show you this stuff. It worked for me, it worked for my friends, it worked for so many people, so I'm here to spill that thing. So guys, before we start, like and subscribe, please. Let's make our tummy poppy. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Tastes good. Doesn't taste bad at all. So guys, this is wonders. You need to get one for yourself. You need to make one for yourself and make sure you take it constantly. This good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Videos on how to increase your boobs and birds is indicated at the description button. And also guys, please share this video. And before I forget, my ginger powder was gotten from Blanco supermarket, and it's very affordable. Though you can get it from any online store, but mine is Blanco supermarket, and it tastes real good, and it's still okay, and it's really affordable. So guys, get that body snatched. Let's get that body snatched. Revenge with the body. Okay guys, still remember Revenge Body with Lorret. Love you.